Wagwan guys, so I took a buy trade on Crash 1000 index. This setup was shared on my public Telegram channel, and I shared this signal to my VIP members. You can see how well we're moving in profit. We just got a little crash right now. More buys is expected on this index in the coming hours and days and minutes, would say. Right, I'm expecting this index to go bullish soon. Alright, so what's market analysis basically? Why did I predict the buys on this index, and why am I expecting the buys on Crash 1000 index? So here in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my market analysis and my market view on Crash 1000 index. On the weekly time frame, you can see that this index has been on a massive decline. When we zoom out on the chart, you can see that this index has been bearish for a very long time now. This index has been selling, right? This index has been on a downtrend. So the first thing I do basically is to spot where the market is headed to on a higher time frame, the market direction, and it's clear that this index is on a downtrend. We got this little downtrend here, this weekly time frame, current trend, which is a downtrend market, right? So I got this spotted, and looking at the previous moves on this index, you can see that we had this previous level which price bought from, and market kind of approached this same level it bought from, which I spotted, and was like, this market has been selling for a very long time, and I think it's time this index reverses to the upside. I think it's time this index gives the expected bullish move, give the expected reversal, right? At least for price to get to some zones and levels which it hasn't gotten to in a while. A level like this level, right? We got this level as a strong level of resistance on the weekly time frame. So if price can give a breakout of this trend resistance, there will be chances of the move to this level, because there's no zone again. There's no level of resistance inside of this range. You can see it here. There's no level of resistance or any zone inside of this range, so you would have a free upside move, a free buy to the upside for price to come test this level, right? So coming back to the weekly time frame, it's clear that this index is on a downtrend, and it's got to a level, it approached a level that we had previous buys from. You can see the sells that we got previously, price got to this level, gave the buys on it. So the market came back to the same level we got the buys from, and is buying from this level. So it's reasonable if you can expect this index to buy from this point, basically, if you can get the buys from this zone. So I spotted this market structure and went to a lower time frame to get a good entry point. And on the daily time frame, we have a level, a zone, which is at this point, which I identified. You can see previous market reaction basically on this level. This level has been a strong level, a key level, would say. We got price buy from as a support, got the buy move from that level as a support. First reaction there, second reaction here, support, would say, support here as well, support there, support at this point, right? Market structure here as a support. So we got multiple market structures on this zone. We got price buy from as a support, support. So this has been a strong level of support, which price broke below at this point. This level turned to a resistance level, because got price break below this level, give a retest on it with these cells. You can see this bearish engulfing candle that appeared here after the break and retest of the zone. We got this bearish move, price came back to the same level, sold again as a resistance. We had about 3 cells on this level as a resistance before price decided to break past this level, break above this level past days, right? We got this bullish move that took out this level, turning this level of resistance to a support level right now. And we're getting an interesting formation, which is an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, a bullish reversal pattern formation. So we got the left shoulder formation there, got the head at this point and head at this zone, and the right shoulder would say here. So this is a nice bullish reversal pattern formation. Identifying this pattern formation gave me the buy idea and the buy view on this index, adding to this level that got broken and retested as a support. It was previously a resistance level, right, which price has been selling from, and here it got price broke past this level, gave a retest on it as a support. So on the test of this level, I got my entries. I first identified this 4 time frame structure, which I saw price create this bullish formation. We got a low here, Right, always make sure you spot the market structure. Always identify these market structures on every time frame. So we got another high here, a higher low, sorry, another low, a higher low, another low here, a higher low, and the last low basically a higher low. So we got this series of higher lows formation. When I identified this formation, this higher lows formation, I knew that this index is bullish already. So all I have to do is to identify a possible buy point on this index. So I got this level spotted, which on the retest of it, I looked out for my buy entries, my buy trade. So we got the highs as well, the high at that point, and that high here. This structure already gave me the buy go ahead on this index. All I have to do was just to spot my levels to get into the trade. And that high here, higher high, and we got the last high here, basically a higher high. So it's at this point that I identified this double bottom formation. Right, we got the first low here, the second low, then the neckline which price broke out of. So I was like, if price can give you a test of this broken neckline, I would be buying this index. So I took my buys here on the retest of this neckline, this double bottom formation neckline, and I shared the buy signal to my VIP members. Is on this 1 hour time frame. I shared the buy setup on my public Telegram channel that I'm expecting the buys on Crash 1000 index. And you can see how well this trade is moving. More buys is expected in the coming hours and days, basically. Let's see what happens on Crash 1000 index. I'm anticipating a bullish reversal, a bullish move on this index. So we'll be having our first target level here. Right, our next target level would be somewhere here, and our next TP level would be here. We have about 3 TPs. These are remarkable zones on this 1 hour time frame which price could react to. So let's see what happens on Crash 1000 index. So that's this, guys. That's how to take the buy trade on this index, by spotting the market structure, identifying my levels and zones, then scaling down to a lower time frame for my entry point. So hit the like button for market breakdown like this and trade breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.